Are you looking for the best tactical belt? Well, you've come to the perfect spot. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a tactical gear collector, or just someone searching for a reliable and stylish belt, this video is tailored for you. Tactical belts are more than just accessories. They're essential tools designed for durability, versatility, and performance in challenging environments. In this video, we'll showcase the top 5 tactical belts that excel in quality, features, and functionality. We've spent countless hours researching hundreds of options, so you don't have to. From military-grade materials to innovative designs, we'll guide you through the best choices to meet your needs. Don't forget to check the product links in the description for more details and exclusive deals. Let's dive in. Number 5. The JACNAIP Men's Belt Outdoor Hunting Metal Tactical Belt stands out with its multi-function alloy buckle and durable canvas material. Designed for rugged use, this belt offers a perfect balance of style and functionality, making it suitable for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday wear. Its Marine Corps-inspired design and variety of colors ensure it complements any outfit while providing reliable performance. On the plus side, the belt's adjustable length and sturdy metal buckle make it incredibly versatile and secure. However, its slightly heavier construction might not suit those seeking ultra-lightweight options. Still, it's a great choice for anyone needing a dependable and stylish tactical belt. Number 4. Next up is the Doopai Men's Belt Army Outdoor Hunting Compass Tactical Multifunction Belt, an excellent choice for survivalists and adventurers. This belt features a built-in compass for navigation, a durable nylon canvas material, and a combat-ready design. Its luxurious finish makes it practical yet stylish, perfect for both outdoor activities and casual wear. The pros include its multi-functionality, robust build, and unisex design that suits a wide range of users. On the downside, the compass may not be as precise as standalone tools, but it's still a valuable addition. Overall, it's a versatile belt with thoughtful features. Number 3. The TUSHI New Hard Tactical Belt for Men Gun Belt EDC impresses with its automatic buckle and durable nylon material. Perfect for everyday carry EDC. This belt is designed for outdoor sports, tactical missions, or even casual wear. Its compact buckle adds convenience without compromising durability. Pros include its lightweight design, quick fastening mechanism, and variety of color options. However, the slightly smaller buckle width may not appeal to those preferring a bulkier style. Nonetheless, it's an excellent choice for practicality and comfort. Number 2. The MEDYA Official Genuine Tactical Belt Quick Release Metal Buckle delivers outstanding performance with its soft, elastic nylon and quick release buckle. Designed for maximum comfort, this belt is ideal for military use, sports, and casual occasions. The lightweight build and stylish options make it a go-to choice for any situation. Its key advantages are the soft yet durable material and a highly reliable buckle system. The only downside is that its elasticity might reduce long-term rigidity. Even so, this belt strikes a great balance between flexibility and toughness. Number 1. Finally, the IDOGEAR 2-inch Tactical Belt Quick Release Metal Buckle takes the top spot for its MOLLE-compatible design and heavy-duty build. Crafted from premium nylon and metal, this belt supports various tactical accessories and ensures superior stability during intense activities. Its sleek yet functional design is perfect for professional or recreational use. The biggest strengths are its quick-release buckle, durable materials, and compatibility with MOLLE gear. On the flip side, its heavier weight might not suit everyone. Nevertheless, this belt is an exceptional choice for anyone needing top-tier tactical functionality.